Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain about the user management and group management in the Linux. Okay, so I'm going to do the explanation by writing a small demo script for you, and this demo script would actually create basically two users and two groups. The first group is named as a developers group, and it will have a developer in it, one user account in it who will be part of this developer group. And the next group is an engineering group, and there will be a user who is a manager who is part of this engineering group as well as the developers group. So that's what is our demo script would look like. Let's see how the script would look like in the Linux now. Okay, so I'm going to show you the script now. Nano user this is the name of the script that I have created. So I'll just go through the script line by line so that you can get to know how this script works. So the first few lines I've just given some comments. The script creates two users with roles as developer and manager respectively. The developer account is created under developers group, and manager account is created under engineering group, uh, uh, which is both uh, part of both the groups. Okay, and third line is actually the script starts, and sudo group add developers will add the developers group, and sudo group add engineering will create the engineering group. So just one thing you need to note here is, while running the script you need to have this user account from which you are running is part of sudo group. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to run this script properly, because it would need the sudo permission or the admin permission to run these critical commands. So the next line is, after creating the group, it gives a message saying that groups developers engineering uh, got created successfully, and further it goes down to um, prompt the user to enter the developer name. So it's prompting the user enters the developer's name, and then the developer's uh, uh, account is getting created, and it is going to ask for a password. And after getting updating the password for the user account, so the whole of the things will get developed, and the developer account is getting created under the group. So while the user account is getting created, so look at the -G option, which actually makes this user part of this developers group that we have created already. So I'll just give a quick overview of this. User add -M is for moving the skeletal system files under the home directory. You can assume that it's a mandatory option that you have to keep it. -D for home directory creation, S for shell, a default shell, and G is the group that you want to put this user in. And then $DN, this is the username that I've got it, so I've added it over here. So that's how I created the developer. And the next set of lines, same thing. And then here I'm going to ask the user to enter the manager's name, and I'm adding him as part of the engineering group. And I'm also using another command called user mod -small a -capital G, and making him part of the developers group as well. Okay, so as a manager he should have access to the developers environment as well, so that's the reason he is also having the access to the developers group as well. And the password for the manager is also being prompted for, and hence the manager account is getting created. And finally, and you see a function called clean, and you have a set of lines here. I'll see these lines basically meant for cleaning up all the user accounts that we have created and the groups that we have created. So there are a few messages here starting cleanup, and then user del -rf $dn. Dn is the developer name, so that we are going to use the option -R to remove the home directory and the mail directories, In case if he is logged in, you want to force it, so I've added F as well. So it'll clean up the user account that we have created. Same thing, I'm also deleting the manager account, and then I'm deleting the groups, developers and the engineering groups. And this is the function. So this is the function. We know what the function is. This will not get executed unless otherwise it is called for. Okay, so then just seeing this function, it will just skip it, and the control comes over here, and it's going to ask, do you want to clean up? Press yes to proceed. So that's the prompt that he is going to ask for. And I'm going to collect the store the option given by the user in the variable called cond, and I'm going to compare it. And since it's a string comparison, I'm using equals equals double equals sign. So I'm going to compare it, the information given by the user along with the y, and if it is yes, then I'm going to call the function clean. Clean is the function that I want to call, that I want to use to clean up all the things. I'm now going to clean up everything, and then I'm going to exit, say after printing a message, script has exited successfully after cleanup. Okay, so let's try to run this up and then see how things are working. Okay, so simply it is showing the messages that I had given, and it says script starts. And so since I have invoking this script with the user account Alex, and it is asking for the password for Alex because it needs a sudo permission. So I'm going to give my password, and the moment I entered my password, it successfully entered and started creating the groups. The two groups, that is the developers groups and engineering group, of it getting created. Name of the developer, I'm going to give the name of the developer as Babu. And Babu developer got created successfully. Now I'm going to enter the name of the manager. I'm going to call him as Arun. I have updated it. So now you get the message, new user Arun is created and made part of engineering and developers group successfully. Now my script is prompting me a question, do you want to clean up? Press Y to proceed. So I'm going to press Y. I'm going to enter Y and hit enter, and it's giving a message starting cleanup. And you can see all the messages here. User mail spool, this directory was not created, so it's not found, so it's not deleting it. So user Babu deleted successfully along with the home directories and everything. So Arun directories are also created, deleted, and developers group and engineering group also deleted successfully. And finally the message script has exited successfully after cleanup got printed successfully. So this is how the user accounts and groups can be created in your script, folks. So I hope you got some ideas. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.